Okay, I have a serious question. How is this coaster not talked about more? Jersey Devil just blew my mind, and I think it might be one of the most underrated RMC coasters on the planet. And after riding it again, I'm kind of obsessed. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Matt Machine here. Today, I'm reviewing Jersey Devil Coaster at Six Flags Great Adventure in New Jersey. This thing is a beast. It's fast, it's punchy, and it's got airtime that'll send your soul into orbit. If you're an airtime junkie, pacing addict, or just love insane coasters, this one's for you. So let's talk about why Jersey Devil is easily one of the best RMC coasters in the world, and why it's now my second favorite coaster of all time. First off, the layout is wild. From the second you crest that vertical lift hill and dive down the drop, you're in for a relentless ride. That first drop, it yanks you over and throws you straight into the madness. No hesitation. Then boom, back-to-back airtime hills, and I mean legit ejector airtime. If you're not stapled in, you're floating. The airtime on Jersey Devil is no joke. It doesn't let up for a second. And the pacing, chef's kiss, there's no dead spots. The ride just keeps going. The elements are tight, aggressive, and fast, like the coaster is racing against itself. The zero-G stall in the middle gives you this beautiful moment of hang time before launching you back into more airtime mayhem. But what really sets Jersey Devil apart is how it combines intensity with comfort. It's intense, but it's smooth. It's aggressive, but not rough. It's thrilling, but never overwhelming. That balance makes it re-rideable and addictive. And after riding Jersey Devil, I want to try every single RMC Raptor model out there. I need to ride Wonder Woman. I need to ride Railblazer. I need all of them now. I live in Florida, and I'm telling you, we need a coaster like this. Orlando, Tampa, heck, any park in Florida would absolutely crush it with a compact, airtime-packed RMC Raptor. Imagine this in the Florida heat with that kind of pacing. Instant top-tier attraction. If you've ridden Jersey Devil, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Do you think it's underrated? Where does it rank in your top coasters? And if you haven't ridden it, what are you waiting for? Put Six Flags Great Adventure on your bucket list ASAP. This ride is worth the trip. Smash that like button if you love roller coasters. Drop your favorite RMC coaster in the comments. And make sure to subscribe to Matt Machine for more coaster reviews, POVs, and theme park content every single week. Thanks for riding with me. I'll catch you in the next video. Stay hyped, stay safe, and keep chasing airtime.